In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Goku Spirit Warrior fast here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, make your way over to C2 and you need to teleport to the blue planet where I am currently located right now. You need to find the Empyrean trainer, and this is going to be near the Spirit Warrior boss here. You need to talk to him and start the Spirit Warrior questline. Now, for the first training, you have to consume 3 Spirit Stones. You can get these just by farming these NPCs on the exact same island. They do take a while to drop, so just keep that in mind. For the second training, you need the Imperial Bloodline, which of course you can roll using Bloodline Stones. For the third training, you have to defeat 15 world bosses using melee specifically, so use your melee ability. You don't want to use, like your swords or anything. For the fourth training, you need to make your way to Crystal Defense on Punch Island and survive floor 75 or higher. And for the fifth training, you need to defeat 10 sea beasts. This one takes forever, I'm just going to be honest with you. And finally, after that, for the final training, you got to defeat the Spirit Warrior boss here on Blue Planet again over here with this little spawner 50 times. It is a whole grind. And of course, you need spirit keys that you get from those NPCs once again to spawn them in. But that's the full process right here. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.